Hey lovelies, welcome back to Cruelty-Free Models, a place to discover the industry's top cruelty-free and eco-conscious models and industry professionals. We'll also be talking about all things cruelty-free and, as always, have a little fun. So today we are going to be going through Hailee Steinfeld's Guide to Glowing Skin and Easy Everyday Makeup Beauty Secrets by Vogue. We're just going to go through and I will tell you guys which products she uses are cruelty-free and which ones aren't cruelty-free. Just for your knowledge, or if you want to recreate her look or just take some of her tips, then you know which ones you can use without worrying about whether they're cruelty-free or not. All right, so yeah. As always, before we get into the video, I'm going to give you guys a basic understanding of what it means to be cruelty-free. So cruelty-free basically just means a brand does not test any of its ingredients, formulations, or finished products on animals at any point during the production process, and this means anywhere in the world. So not just the US, not just the US, Canada, anywhere. So there you have it, you guys. Let's get right into this video.
This has gotten me more compliments about my skin over FaceTime than anything I've ever used ever.
Okay, so Hailee is using the Pore Organics Noni Glow Sleeping Mask, and I can let you guys know that Pore Organics is a cruelty-free brand, so hooray for that.
I take this toner, little cotton pad.
Okay, so this is the Dickinson's Original Witch Hazel Pore Perfecting 100% Natural Toner. This is a cruelty-free brand. In fact, they are PETA certified as well as completely vegan. So
this is my favorite moisturizer, this Luminous soft cream to wear under my makeup.
She is now using the Luminous moisturizer, and this actually is not a cruelty-free brand. So yeah, this is one you definitely don't want to use if you're a cruelty-free advocate or trying to use more cruelty-free products. So yeah.
Next, I use my sunscreen. I don't leave the house without this. I have one in my bag at all times. It's so important. That's all I'm gonna say.
Okay, so this is the EltaMD UV Clear Broad Spectrum SPF 46. And this is a cruelty-free brand. They are cruelty-free. So yes, you are safe to use this one.
That I'm in. So I'm obsessed with this Luminous Silk Foundation by Armani.
Okay, so she is using the Armani Beauty Luminous Silk Perfect Glow Flawless Oil-Free Foundation. That is a mouthful. Okay, so unfortunately, Armani Beauty is not cruelty-free. Straight from their website, they state, Giorgio Armani does not use animals to test its products and does not have animal testing conducted by anyone else to support our product safety review. It goes on to say, others completely independent of L'Oreal and outside the direction of control of L'Oreal might do animal testing pursuant to their local requirements. So it's kind of like a tricky thing. They're saying they are cruelty-free, they don't test, they don't hire anyone to test, but if you continue to read, it does state that where animal testing is required by law, they do they do participate in that. So this is not a cruelty-free brand.
We're running low, people. Running real low. All right. Concealer is on.
So Hailee is using the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. And unfortunately, NARS is not cruelty-free. They were at one point, and they were bought out by a parent company that's not cruelty-free and were unable to keep their cruelty-free status. So NARS is not cruelty-free.
This is one of my favorite palettes by Tom Ford. Just go in a little bit. You know, do the thing that makeup artists do where then they like put it on their hand for like 4 minutes.
Okay, Hailee is now using the Tom Ford Skin Illuminating Powder Duo. And unfortunately, Tom Ford Beauty is not cruelty-free. So you'll definitely want to find a alternative to use instead of this. So Tom Ford is not cruelty-free.
It's great. So this is a little palette of cream blush and highlighter that I don't even know how I came across, but I'm obsessed with it. I will just use my fingers, take a little bit of the blush, and smile. You gotta smile, you know?
Here she is using the Kosas Color and Light Cream Blush and Highlighter Duo. And I'm happy to say that, yes, this brand is cruelty-free.
Every day. For my lips, I love to just do a little bit of liner and some lip balm.
Most of us already know, but in case you do not, MAC is not a cruelty-free brand, unfortunately.
I am truly obsessed with, well, all things Victoria Beckham, but this lip stain, it's so beautiful. On Dickinson, it's obviously very minimal, but one thing that is fun is learning the tips and tricks from the 1800s and learning that.
Here Hailey's using the Victoria Beckham Beauty Bitten Lip Tint, and this is a cruelty-free brand. So, and they do actually have a lot of vegan products as well. So yeah, Victoria Beckham Beauty is cruelty-free, and that's one that you don't hear a lot about. So definitely worth checking out for sure.
This is for face and body. It's this incredible, supernatural, glowy balm, I guess you could say.
So this is the Patrick Ta Major Glow All Over Glow Balm. And this is a brand by the makeup artist Patrick Ta. And it is cruelty-free and vegan. So yay.
Do a little, oh, okay. Definitely look where it's pointing before you spray it. I'm gonna do that again. You know, you do a little, okay. Little cinnamon action, okay.
Okay, so this is the Saint Laurent perfume. And unfortunately, Yves Saint Laurent is not cruelty-free. So there are plenty of perfumes that are on the market that are cruelty-free. So if you want me to do a video on that, you guys need to let me know. Let me know in the comments. Let me know if there's another model or celebrity routine that you want me to review. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I do love Hailee so much, and she used a lot of cruelty-free products. So yay. I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment in the comment section. I'd love to hear from you.